Hello everyone! Amid today's ever-changing industries, plastic processing technology is playing an important role. From aircraft soaring in the sky, to vehicles speeding across the land. From essential household items to durable outdoor gear. Plastic products have become an integral part of our daily lives. Behind the mass production of these products, simulation analysis has become an indispensable part of plastic processing due to its high efficiency, accuracy, and sustainability. Moldex3D provides professional plastic injection molding simulation solutions. Leveraging its true 3D simulation technology, it delivers comprehensive solutions tailored to various advanced processes, empowering customers to address design and manufacturing challenges from the very beginning. With a global presence spanning 5 continents, Moldex3D serves over 5,500 clients, supports more than 8,200 real-world case studies, and collaborates with over 30 material partners worldwide. Moldex3D is used across a wide range of high-end industries. Whether you're in the automotive, electronics, medical, or semiconductor industry, we can provide optimal simulation solutions, catering to your product's unique features and production needs. We invite you to unlock the power of molding intelligence with us. Let Moldex3D help you find the perfect solutions, creating an efficient work environment and world-class products.